Hey everyone, this is Quick Flex here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about a motherboard that's still dominating in budget builds in 2025. Yes, I'm talking about MSI P55 Pro VDH Wi-Fi motherboard. If you are looking for an affordable but powerful AM4 motherboard, this might be the perfect pick for you. Let's break down why you should consider buying this motherboard in 2025. Well, if you're building a budget gaming PC or content creation rig, or even upgrading an older AM4 system, this micro ATX board packs insane value with it. It supports Ryzen 3000 and 5000 processors, making it an killer choice for 1080p and 1440p gaming in 2025. Now let's talk about some features. This board comes with PCIe Gen 4 support, meaning your NVMe SSD and GPU gets the max bandwidth. Plus, it also got Wi-Fi 6E 2.5 and 5 GHz and 2.5 GHz Ethernet. It's perfect for online gaming and internet surfing. Plus, you get a USB 3.2 second gen Type-C port, which is rare at this price range. Now let's talk about the performance and VRAM. First of all, if we talk about the performance, it's solid. 6 plus 2 plus 1 VRAM keeps the things cool even with the Ryzen 7 5800X. Comparing it to the cheaper boards like ASRock P55M HDV, this one has a way better power delivery. Now, you might ask why you buy a B55 board in 2025. The simple answer is AM4 is still alive and it's cheap. DDR5 and AM4 are great, but if you want a budget piece like Ryzen 5 5600 or Ryzen 5 5600X, and this motherboard and 16 GB of DDR4 RAM is way cheaper than AM5 with nearly the same gaming performance. If you want an alternative, there is like the Asus TUF B55M Plus. It has better audio than MSI B55M Pro VDH. Even most of the people don't even notice the difference in audio. The other alternative is Gigabyte B55 Aorus Lite. It has a strong VRAM. Again, both cost more. For most of the people, the MSI B55 Pro Wi-Fi is the best balance of price and features. It got Wi-Fi 6E, PCIe Gen 4 and USB 3.2 and USB Type-C, good Ethernet and a great power delivery, all under $100 USD or 10,000 INR. Check the links below for the best deals and let me know in the comments what you think. Thank you for watching. Smash the like button if it helped and consider subscribing for the future tech reviews. See you in the next one. Peace out.